Thanks, Vic. Awesome. Heard that.
What we've got here is almost like a pearl harvesting assembly line. When the shells are brought in from the water, they're first opened slightly with a peg inserted to just keep the shell slightly open. The next step is opening the shells completely. The top part of the shell is taken off, leaving the bottom portion of the shell, the part with the mollusk still inside. So once the top's been taken off, the shells then go to Mr. Yu. Mr. Yu personally harvests the second graft pearls here. Once the pearls have been harvested, the next step is to take the actual mollusk out of the shell. You can see this meaty portion here. This is used for fish food and fertilizer. Everything's used. Once the meaty portion's been removed, the last thing you're left with is what's known as the adductor muscle. This is a delicacy. In fact, a lot of the guys here eat this straight out of the shell. With lemon. With lemon. A little bit of lime, maybe some salt and Tabasco sauce. Once the adductor muscle's been removed from the shell, you're left with beautiful mother of pearl. Mother of pearl is sold, the adductor muscle is eaten, every part of the shell is used. Mr. Yu is personally handling the harvest of the second graft. This is the most important harvest on the farm. This is when the pearls are the largest and the most valuable. But even after all these years, the years of spat grow out, the years in the water, the first and the second graft, you never really know what you're gonna get. Some of these pearls are magnificent. Other pearls, not so much. But The beauty of some of these pearls far outweighs some of these little accidents that we see in here.
大丈夫给你需要条这些，那是看都不看你的。
你来把你搞去，那个快快打去。
然后靠我身上来，人家我拿过来了。帮上有米泥。
Sometimes they're drilled through the center, but in this case they're drilled at the tip. And they're a stick form. Next to those are the potato pearls. They're drilled through the center, if you imagine a potato drilled through the thicker center of it, not down the length of it. Next is a button pearl, and it's flat on one side and rounded on the other. In this case, these are double drilled button pearls. They have two holes running parallel to each other going through those pearls. In addition, we've got some keshi pearls. They're an unusual shape. They almost resemble small cereal flakes. So a handy memory tip is to remember special K is keshi. Then we've got some more unusually shaped pearls, Baroque pearls, and they are very valuable pearls. They're grown in the South Sea and Tahitian areas. They have a very irregular shape, as you can see, and less controlled than some of the others. Next, these long pearls that are shaped like little grains of rice and drilled through the length of the rice shape. They're called rice pearls. Easy enough to remember. And mostly the difference between the potato pearls and the rice pearls is just the way they're drilled. Now we have coin pearls. They're a flat coin, and you can tell they're slightly different than the button because both sides are equally flat in coin pearls. There's also unusual shapes that are being formed every day. In this case, there's a cross pearl. There are also glass pearls, and this shows a range of colors of the glass pearls and a range of sizes of the glass pearls. Glass pearls are less expensive and more consistent in their shape than freshwater pearls, so it's easier if you want a very consistently shaped strand to go with a glass pearl, because consistently shaped pearls